Clear the ramp. Move them out.
Careful with the big one. He's skittish.
Clear the bay. Watch the left side.
Moving them now, opening gate 4.
Heads up on the next transport.
Move along now, easy.
Keep the line straight, Sector 4.
Move them to Sector Gamma.
Gates closing in 10 seconds.
Inside this colossal facility, advanced automation ensures peak efficiency, monitored by our...
The biomass readings are stable.
Rations adjusted for Pen 3.
These Red Brahman Bulls are raised in a completely controlled environment, maximizing growth efficiency through automated feeding systems.
The drying section utilizes high-velocity air tunnels to prepare the Brahman herd for the next phase of conditioning.
The coronary calcium score is optimal.
Confirmed. Gene sequence indicates high yield.
The grain on this batch is exceptional, right on spec.
Yes, the finish is perfect. The new press calibration paid off. Check the humidity on this batch. It feels slightly off.
I agree. Let's adjust the airflow settings for this row.
The moisture reading is slightly high on the third pallet.
Confirmed. The next spray cycle should correct it. Inputting the alignment data now.
Make sure the tolerance matches the schematic. Notice the stitching on the lumbar support. The scanners confirmed a perfect tension score on this entire row.
Cross-referencing the vegan leather texture against the 8K render.
Matches perfectly. Final approval confirmed.
Alignment check on row 7.
Confirmed. Torque is within parameters.
Wow, this is so soft.
Yes.